Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. I'm going to introduce a new topic today. The topic is myself. Children, what is myself, children? Myself means you are going to say some information about yourself. That is called myself. Okay. For example, if you speak with anybody or if you introduce yourself means you can say something about yourself, your name and your qualification and your age and about your parent. Am I right? So that is called myself. Okay. So here are some questions with answers, children. Let us go through. In the end of this topic, you will be able to know how to introduce yourself. Shall we go through all the questions here? Let us go, children. The first question is, what is your name? If you make the conversation with anybody, the person will ask this question, what is your name? If the question may be asked like this means, what answer will you say, children? You can use these sentences and complete and say the answer. Okay. I am, for example, if your name is Arun means I am Arun. My name is Arun. This is Arun. You can choose any sentence from the given sentences and say. Okay. So if the question may be asked like this, what is your name means, you can use these three sentences. Okay. I am so and so. My name is so and so. This is so and so. Okay. I am Naresh. I am Sindhu. My name is Naresh. My name is Sindhu. Or this is Arun or this is Sindhu. Okay. And moving to the next question. The second question is, if anyone asks your age means, how will you say the answer? Okay. How old are you? Or what's your age? Okay, so either this question or that question will be asked. I am 10 years old. If my age is 10, I am 10 years old. My age is 10. I'm crossed 10 years old. Okay, you can choose any one of the sentences here and reply. Okay. Whenever the question will asked, you can reply. You can use these sentences and you say the reply. Okay. And moving to the third question, children. Which grade, either grade or class. Okay. Which grade are you doing? Which grade are you studying? Or which class are you studying? Which class are you doing? If the question is like this means, I'm studying 5th grade. I'm doing 5th grade or standard. Okay. So the next question. Children, in the beginning of the academic year, pupil will ask the question like this. Which class are you promoting this academic year? So in last academic year, you were studying in one class. So if you got your promotion means you are promoting to next class. Okay. So people will ask, which class are you promoting this year, this academic year? For which class? Okay. I am promoting from 5th standard to 6th standard, or I am promoting from grade 5 to grade 6. Okay. So we can make the sentences like this. Okay. And the next, children, when were you born? When were you born means you have to mention your date, month and year. Okay. So I have written one of the sentences here. Listen. I was born on 18th of October in 2013. I was born on 18th of October in 2013. Okay, so instead of this date, month here you can mention your date of birth and year. Okay. And the next question is, when is your birthday? Both questions are same, and the pupil will ask a different way. Okay. When is your birthday? My birthday is on 18th of October. Okay. My birthday is on 18th of October. We can make the sentence, we can make the answer like this. Let us move for the next question. Here, how will you say your parents' name, children? See, the question is, what is your parents' name? So, what is your father's name or what is your mother's name? Like that. What is your parents' name? Which means you have to say your father's and mother's name here. My father's name is so and so. Here, you have to write your father's name. My mother's name is, you have to write your mother's name. Okay. So if your father's name is Ravi, means my father's name is Ravi. If your mother's name is Leela, means my mother's name is Leela. Okay. Is this clear, children? Yes. Let us move for the next question. What is your father's name and what is he? So here are two questions, children. The first question is, what is your father's name? So if the question may be asked like this, means you can say your father's name. And the second question is, what is he? What is he? If anyone asks this question, what answer will you say, children? If the question is, what is he? What answer will you say? So here you have to say your father's profession, which means your father's job and what job your father is working. Okay. My father's name is, for example, your father's name is Ravi, means my father's name is Ravi. And your father's job is teacher, means my father is a teacher. Okay. So, or my father is an engineer. Okay. My father is a mason. My father is a doctor. Okay. You mention your father's profession here and complete the sentence. So, if the question is, what is he? Means you have to say your father's occupation. And the next question is, what is your mother's name? And what is she? Here also, children, write your mother's name and your mother's profession. Okay. My mother's name is Leela. So, if your mother's name maybe Leela, means my mother's name is Leela. And your mother is a teacher, means my mother is a teacher. Or if your mother is a homemaker. Okay. So, if your mother is a homemaker, means my mother is her homemaker. Okay. My mother is a musician. My mother is a beautician. My mother is a tailor. Okay. Write your mother's profession here, children. And the next question, do you have siblings? Do you have brothers and sisters? Children, siblings means brothers or sisters. Okay. So brothers or sisters are called siblings. Okay. So if you have brothers or if you have siblings, means yes, I have siblings. No, I don't have siblings. If you don't have siblings, means if you have no siblings, you can use this sentence. I don't have siblings. And the next answer, I have brothers and sisters. No, I don't have brothers and sisters. Clear, children? Use siblings or brothers, sisters. Okay. Sibling is the one word for brothers and sisters. Okay. And the next question is, how many siblings do you have? So already I told you the meaning of sibling, which means brother or sister. Okay. Brothers and sisters are called sibling. Okay, I have only one sibling. So if you have only one sibling means you use this sentence. I have only one sibling. Okay, that is my younger brother. What is younger brother, children? Younger brother means a brother who is younger than you is younger brother. A brother who is older than you means that is your older brother. Okay, so older brother, older sister, younger brother and younger sister. Okay, so that is my younger brother. His name is Ravi. So you can mention your brother's name here. Okay, I have no siblings, which means if you have no brothers, no sisters means you can use this sentence. Okay, but if you have siblings means, if you have only one sibling means, I have only one sibling. If you have two siblings means, I have two siblings. If you have no siblings means, I have no siblings. Is this clear? And children, I have three siblings. Listen this, children. So if you have three brothers and sisters means, you can use the sentence like this. I have three siblings. They are my two elder brothers and one younger sister. Okay, so elder means brothers who are older than you. Okay, they are called elder, and younger means a person who is younger than you. Okay, my two elder brothers and one younger sister. Okay, and next question, children. Do you have grandparents? Do you have grandparents, children? Who are grandparents? Grandparents means your father's father and mother. Your mother's father and mother. Okay, so they are called grandparents. Okay, so if you have grandparent means, yes, I have grandparents. So mother's parent and father's parent are called grandparent. No, I don't have grandparents. Okay? And next question. Do you have aunt and uncle? What are their names? So here, children, aunt and uncle. Who are aunt and uncle? So your father's brothers and sisters and your mother's brothers and sisters are called aunt and uncle. Okay, so if you have aunt and uncle means, yes, I have aunt and uncle. My uncle's name is, you can mention your uncle's name here. My aunt's name is, you can write your aunt's name here. Okay. No, I don't have uncle and aunt. If you have no uncle and aunt means, you can use this sentence. Okay. Are these sentences useful for you, children? I hope these sentences are useful for you. And moving to the next one. What type of family is yours? What type of family is yours, children? So there are two types of families. One is nuclear family and next one is joint family. Nuclear family means if the family has only 4 members or below 4 members, that is called nuclear family. Okay, so if the family has more than 5 or 6 members, that family is joint family. Which family do you like, children? Do you like joint family or nuclear family? In which family are you living? So if you are living in nuclear family means my family is nuclear family, or I am in nuclear family. There are 4 members in our family. They are my father, my mother, I and my sister. Okay, so if there are 4 members means you can use these sentences and complete the sentence. And if you are living in joint family means I am in joint family. There are 7 members. And continue, children. Who are the 7 members? My father, my mother, I, my sister, my grandmother, my grandfather, my uncle, my aunt. So you can mention those who are living in the joint family. Okay. And the next one is, what is your school's name and where is it? My school's name is dash. Here write your school's name. If your school's name is KSR Mithika's CBSE school, means my school's name is KSR Mithika's CBSE school. My school is in Madanur. Okay. So instead that school, write your school's name. My school's name is so and so. Write your school's name. And where is your school located, children? So write the location here. My school is in Vellore. My school is in Bangalore. My school is in Chennai. My school is in so and so, some places. So mention the place's name here. Okay. Do you love your family? This is your next question. Do you love your family? So everyone loves your family. That's why I have written only one answer. Yes, I love my family and my family members. What is your hobby? What is hobby, children? Hobby means whenever you are free, you can do some co-curricular activities or extracurricular activities. Okay, so you can spend your time with some of the activities. Why do we do? Because we need some rest. Okay, so we have to change our attitudes. Okay, so listen, children, what is your hobby? So my hobby is to listen music and read novels and comics. Okay, I have mentioned a few hobbies here: listen music and read novels and comics. So instead you can mention your hobbies. So if your hobby is watching TV, means my hobby is to watch TV. My hobby is to write novels. My hobby is to play carom. My hobby is to play chess. My hobby is to play cricket. Okay, write any sentences. Okay, I have written some of the hobbies here. So instead you can write your hobbies. Okay, would you like to play games? What is your favorite game? Would you like to play games, children? Yes, I would like to play games. My favorite game is football. So instead football, write your favorite game here. Okay, who is your role model? So the next question is, who is your role model? Who is your role model, children? Role model means if you learn some new values or if you get inspiration from anybody, that person is your role model. Okay, so here my role model is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, because he's an inspiring person. Okay, he's a great scientist and he's good motivator and he's good educator. Okay, so that's why he's my role model, children. So that's why I have written Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's name here. My role model is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam because his quotes and speeches are full of motivation. Okay, he is a good motivator, children. When I saw his quotes and when I saw his speech in YouTube, I got inspiration. Okay, I got some ideas and I learned many moral values from his speech. Okay, so he is inspiring me. He is inspiring me, children. So instead, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, write your role model here and complete the sentences. Okay. And moving to the last question, what is your ambition? What is your ambition, children? You know what is ambition? Ambition means your future career. In future, what plan have you decided? Okay, so you already have decided a plan. Okay, for example, you have decided to become an engineer, or you have decided to become a doctor, teacher, or anything else. Okay, so that is your ambition. Okay, so here my ambition is to become dash. For example, children, your ambition is to become a teacher means my ambition is to become a teacher. If I were a teacher, I would serve for my country and poor people. Okay, so instead this sentence, if you have your own sentence means you can write, you can proceed here. Okay, children, do you understand? So I hope you understand, and now you now you have known how to introduce yourself, and if you speak with anybody or if you are going to introduce yourself means you can use these sentences and introduce yourself. Okay, I hope you can understand this topic. Thank you, kids.